I'm just going to go over how to install one of these 18-inch Vevor fans onto a wall that has studs. So the problem is the kit includes some masonry hardware and a large 3-bolt flange. So first you'll need 3/8 by 1 1/4 bolts. And then what I'm going to do is use a 5/8 wood drill bit to drill 3 pockets. Okay, the pockets are done. As you can see, it allows the head of the bolt to rest in there. So next, we'll use a 3/8 wood drill bit to drill a hole through the center so that we could run the bolt through. This is what it looks like with the bolts installed into the 1x6 board. This will allow you to mount the fan bracket right onto the board. Next, I'll show you how to locate the studs and install the board onto the wall. Okay, you'll use your stud finder, locate the studs, and then make your marks. Next, you'll screw the board to the studs using 2.5-inch wood screws. Okay, the board is screwed onto the wall. Slide on the fan bracket. Install a washer, a locking washer, and a 3/8 nut. And do that 2 more times. Okay, use a ratchet and socket to tighten it down. Then slide in the mounting hole into the bracket. Then you'll tighten these security bolts. Okay, we're at the home stretch here. Slide the fan onto the mounting pole, and then tighten that locking bolt, just like that. After you plug in the fan, 1 pull is the lowest, 2 pulls is medium, and 3 pulls is the high. And then this turns on the oscillating. And also this is the adjustment so you can pivot up and down. And that's it. Enjoy your fans.